Hi, my name is Darrell Morton Jr. I go by DMJ. I have a business called Drone Force Indiana, which is a nonprofit company, and Vertto Sky STEM Solutions, which is a for-profit company. What I do is I use drones. Early on is to teach kids how to, do math, geometry using drones. And I take them all the way up to high school where they get certified as drone pilots. And I just talk about possibilities for them to get into the career field, be it aviation, or drones, or the urban mobility vehicles that are coming down the road. What I was doing with AI before this class was really just returning emails, making sure everything sounded right, and perhaps if I wanted to look up a recipe, I would put it in AI. But after the course, what I've learned is a way to kind of develop curriculum to really use it as a way to connect young people to my mission again, and that is to create the next generation of aviators, of drone pilots. And actually I was able to put together this book right here, a shameless plug, or Urban Wings, which is about students that are interested in getting into the aviation, the drone world, and it just kind of follows their life path. And it's really a guide for students to kind of learn about ways to actually access a field that we've been locked out of. It's important to train as many people in our community because it gives people access. We've always had ideas. It's a way to allow people to take that idea, work with AI, and really come up with some solutions to problems that they may not know how to solve. And it's just a way to kind of equal the playing field. And it's an excellent way for us to work together to really come up with the next big thing.